Modern outswing door frame assembly. Start the frame assembly with the exterior side up on a clean, flat surface. Insert the head jamb to jam corner keys into the ends of the head jamb frame. Slide the jamb frame members onto the corner key. Adjust the miter joints until tight, and then fasten 4 number 8 by 3/8 flathead screws on each side. For performance and low-profile sills, slide the sill with attached corner keys onto the jambs. Attach the corner keys to the jamb with 2 number 8 by 1 and 3/4 inch panhead screws per side. On X units, install the gasket and head jamb strike with 1 number 8 by 1/2 inch flathead screw. At the head jamb, inject the provided sealant into the exterior hole until sealant comes out of the interior hole. At the sill corner key, inject sealant into the hole next to the nail fin kerf until sealant comes out near the weep. Note that 2 tips are sent with each door. Use the pre-cut tip for the frame corner injections. Inject the provided sealant into the larger interior hole in the sill corner key until sealant comes out of the interior notch in the sill corner key. Inject sealant in the lower interior frame hole until sealant comes out of the adjacent hole. If you have a saddle sill, attach the sill to the jambs with the screws provided. Pre-drill through the shim blocks with a 3/16 inch drill bit. Drill through all jamb screw installation holes, panel alignment bolt holes, hinge holes, and all strike holes. Assembly of your modern outswing door frame is now complete. Be sure to view other related videos at our YouTube channel or visit www.marvin.com.